Hello friends, welcome to AmbeKidsArt. Today we'll be drawing Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph. I'm super excited. Okay, let's get started. The things you need for this project are color pencils, a Sharpie, a pencil, an eraser, and either a printer paper or a drawing notebook. Let's draw a circle for the head, a couple sticks for the hands. The body is going to be a triangle. The legs are going to be sticks again. Super easy. Let's draw her arms so they look like they are against her hips. Just a simple line. Let's draw her ponytail. Let's draw a small oval in the middle of the face for her nose. Let's mark the bottom of her eyes. And then draw a half circle on top of those lines. She now looks like a chicken. She's cute though. Let's draw her eyeballs. Let's give her some pupils. Let's draw slopey lines for her eyebrows. Let's make the lines thicker. Time to give her a smile. First we draw the top lip. Then we leave a little gap and then draw the bottom lip. Let's erase the guidelines around her face. We are going to be drawing her face now. Let's draw a little curve. And then starting from the chin, we want to go and draw her cheek. So remember, the cheek is going to be sticking out a little bit. So that will be a bigger curve than the top one. Let's do the same thing for the other side. A nice bumpy cheek. See how curved it is? It already looks like her. We are not going to draw the top of her head because it's covered in hair, so we are going to be drawing the hair now. She has like a little bangs sticking out. So we want to draw those little beautiful pieces of sections of hair that are surrounding her face. When you draw hair, try not to make it look very stiff. Use nice curved lines to make it look more natural. There, we got one strand. Let's draw the other strand of hair on the other side of her face. You can add a couple more if you want to in different heights. And then let's draw the top of her head. I'm not making it a perfect circle. I'm making it a little bit more bumpy. Let's mark her ears. Ears are just like question mark, simple shape. She has really pronounced ears, so you want to make sure that they are a little larger. She has large ears. let's define her ponytail a little better. The tip of the ponytail is going to have some strands of hair. Then let's mark another line for the ponytail so we can see both edges of the ponytail. Let's start drawing her sweatshirt. I'm drawing the hoodie part that's attached at the neck. Just 2 curved lines. Let's draw the arm a little bit. Let's finish the hoodie now. I'm just going to be tracing over my guidelines and adding more details at this point. Her hands are not going to be like, her hands have when you draw the shirt, remember to keep the cuff larger than any other part. See, that's all for the hand. Just a simple shape for the hand, no fingers. There's a pocket by her hand. Let's draw the bottom of her sweatshirt. We are just going to trace over the lines we defined in the guideline. And let's complete the top of her shirt. I believe she is wearing a Reese's cupcake tutu of some sort. We use the V shapes to make up her tutu. She's so adorable. Then let's trace over her legs. Before that, let's finish her hand, the other hand. She's again holding up a fist on the other hand. Let's trace over her leg and draw her shoes. Oops, I did not notice the camera was not recording me drawing those shoes. How crazy is that? Sorry about that. It is time to color. That's so much fun. That's the best part of this whole project. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of this. Speed up the video so that we get done really quick. See you soon. We are all done. I'm so happy with how this project turned out. I had so much fun and I hope you all had fun watching this video. I hope you give it a try. If you really enjoy this, you can post your artwork on my Facebook page, AmbeKidsArt. I would be thrilled to look at your artwork. Please share with your friends if you had fun with this video. Hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.